Hey Carvonix family, so you signed up, you have your profile going, you may have added a couple of cars to your garage. Now it's time to make your first post. Now, if you're familiar with any of the other social media platforms out there, this will feel very familiar, but I'm gonna walk you through the whole process right now, so follow along. All right guys, so here we are back in the Carvonix app and we're on the home screen. Right from here, you could just click on the bottom where it says add, right in the middle there. And this list pops up and post is right at the top. But I wanna point something out real quick, that it doesn't matter where you are in the app, whether you're in the events tab, the shop tab, your profile, anywhere you are in the app, that add button's always going to be at the bottom. So you can just click on that and click on post right at the top of that list. So now we're going to select whether this is a post to our profile or to one of our cars in the garage. I'm going to select profile and click select in the top right. Now, once we're here, it's pretty straightforward. At the top, we're going to give this post a title. And right below that, we're going to upload the video that I want to post. And that's going to direct us to our photo gallery. And there's the post right there. Select it and click done. And that's going to upload the media to the post. And now I'm going to write a description, which I've already got one prepared. So I'm just going to paste that in. And right below the description, you'll see a couple of other options like link to Carvonix Garage, a URL link, or tags, just like any other social media app. Now that I'm satisfied with everything with this post, I'm going to click preview in the top right. And this is what the post is going to look like. This is the 2007 Toyota Land Cruiser. Great, looks good. So now in the top right, all I have left to do is click post. Now, if we click on the Home tab down at the bottom left, this is very similar to apps like Instagram. You'll see the progress bar right there, and it is uploading the post. Now, you'll want to leave the app open until it's complete, but you can still navigate around within the app. It won't disturb this process. All right, and there we have it. Confirmation that the post has successfully posted, and now we can see on the feed, there is our post, and right down below you can see the title, the SUV that doesn't depreciate, the description, and then of course if people like and comment, we'll be able to see that as it comes in. Now, one of the things we can do is go to our profile, click on dashboard. Now we can click on your activity. You'll see down there at the bottom left, your activity, click on that. And we can see this has been updated right away, that in the top it says post published plus 3 XP. So that has added 3 experience points to my progress bar, as you can see right there. And of course, once I level up on one of the tiers, I will get points, which is different from XP, remember that I can then use in the shop or redeem for entries into the Carvonix and Speed Society giveaways. Great, so now you've made your first post, which is awesome. So now you can go onto your dashboard and check your activity to see the experience points you're getting from all of this activity within the app. Remember, we gamified the whole system. So those experience points help you rank through the tiers, which accumulate points, which you could use for giveaways, or you can use for purchases directly in the Carvonix shop. Make sure you stay tuned for more tutorials on how to use the Carvonix app.